Here we are at the end of the semester, Module 7. This is going to be the wrap-up module. There's nothing new to read for this module. This is really just going to be an opportunity for us to work together on your final project, the essay. And we're going to be communicating this week, hopefully, often. I want to try to make contact with each of you individually as you begin to work on your revision based on the comments that I have given you, the feedback that I provided in the first draft assignment. So please make sure that you download not only the draft with my markups, but also my comments for you, and use that along with your peer workshop feedback that you receive from your peer. Use those as guides for completing your final draft. This is not something that I want you to be working on alone. While I have given you feedback, I still want to make myself available to you this week for constant contact as much as you feel you need to accomplish this essay as best you can, as clear as you can. So questions you have, please, right up until the last minute, I'll be happy to answer anything that I can for you. The last part of this class that I want to ask you to complete for the semester is the course evaluation. You will find the link in the module. So please take a few minutes. These evaluations are extremely important to me. They not only help me get a better understanding of how you did in the class, what you felt, how you felt about the material, the reading material, the assignments, but also helps me in planning to figure out what worked, what didn't work, things that could be clear, things that could be improved upon. These are extremely important to me, so I ask you to take a few minutes to complete that survey before the class ends. I have very much enjoyed working with you this semester, and the readings that we have completed, I hope you enjoyed those, and that you continue to explore not only science fiction literature, but time travel literature, which is, as I said at the beginning of the semester, I feel a very essential subgenre of this type of reading. So I hope you've enjoyed all the books that we've read this semester. Thanks so much.